Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to change your van's oil filter. Tools you will need a 13mm ratchet or socket and an oil filter wrench. First, remove the old oil filter. It is located between the sump and oil cooler. Have a drain pan ready which have the capacity to fill minimum of 7 litres. Oil will leak from the oil filter when loosening it, so have the drain pan and a cloth ready. Once you have loosened the oil filter using oil filter wrench, you can remove it using your hand. I strongly advise you to wear disposable glove as things will get messy. Wait for the oil to drain before removing the filter. Once you have removed the filter, dump the old filter in the drain pan as there is still oil in the filter. It's time to install the new filter, but before we do so, we will need to pre-fill the oil filter. This is so that the oil circulation in the engine is smoother. The oil capacity of the oil filter is 300 milliliters. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a little engine oil to the new gasket. This will prevent the gasket from sticking, cracking, or causing an oil leak. Now screw on the new oil filters using your hand. Hand tighten is advised, as over-tightening may crack the seal, which will cause oil leak. Now remove the bolt using 13mm. The oil capacity of P22 DT engine is 6.5 litres, so have an appropriate oil drain pan ready. It is recommended to change your vehicle's oil between 7,000 to 10,000 miles. If your car requires full synthetic oil, it could even go as far as 15,000 miles between services. Or change is essential, as having proper lubrication that reduces the amount of heat produced by the engine. Oil changes also get rid of dirt and debris, which makes your engine run smoother. Now screw on the bolt using 13mm to 20mm torque specs. Make sure to change the oil bolt gasket to avoid leakage. Once you have tightened the oil filter and some bolt, it's time to add the oil. Ford recommends 6.5 litres of 5W30, 5W40 or 10W40 oil. You have now changed your oil of your van. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.